We paid a visit to Rotisserie Chicken of California, a Pasadena spot that's been serving incredible food for over 30 years. It's run by the Yoshiike family, who are known not just for their delicious meals, but for being such a big part of this community. Recently, their home was destroyed in the Eaton Canyon wildfire, and now they're facing the tough challenge of rebuilding their lives. We stopped by to show our support and to try their incredible food, and we're excited to share this experience with you. Great way to start a meal with salad.
Yeah, and I like that it's like fully green too, not just white. We got to choose our dressing and we picked the Japanese dressing.
Not just any Japanese dressing. Japanese
Tangy. So we're here at Rotisserie Chicken of California. They're located in Pasadena, right off of Colorado. And they serve Japanese-style rotisserie chicken meals with the American twist, I think.
I think it's the other way around.
Oh, American rotisserie chicken with a Japanese twist. I've been meaning to come here, so I'm glad we got the chance to do it. And they have a small staff today, so they said it would be a little slower today, and we're okay with that. And they're owned by an older Japanese couple, and a lot of people still come and patron them.
Yeah, a lot of people doing takeout, so hopefully by us dining here, we're not straining the resources too much because they're working incredibly hard.
Oh no, we ordered too much garlic bread. That's a good problem to have. A quarter chicken, dark meat with pasta and veggies, and it comes with the bread.
We got lots of bread.
Peter likes the angel hair, so this is perfect for him, and he loves mushrooms. I got the garlic sauce. Totally my style. It's like just the way that I would make it at home.
It is.
See, eat the chicken. Ooh, fall off the bone.
That's how you know it's good.
Oh, it's good.
It looks so juicy.
It is. And this garlic bread is so soft.
The way you're pinching it, you're barely pinching it. And
Yeah. I like that it comes with broccoli. Why haven't we been here?
right?
I remember when I used to work at restaurants, they told me that this is like their favorite restaurant. And I should have listened to them because it's good. When Peter saw curry on the menu and there's katsu, he had to get it.
I know, it's like, I'm just a fiend for curry. Both really good. The cutlet is like lightly breaded, lightly fried. So that way it feels a little bit less guilty. It's really nice. There's enough curry on here. And even to add to the rice is really good.
You should try this.
So Lisa usually buys the Japanese pasta packets and make it kind of like this, but this takes it to like a whole different level because this tastes like totally home cooked. Pasta noodles are cooked so beautifully, and it has like a little bit of like garlicky flavor in it, and the mushrooms in it.
Elevated. You should dip it in your curry. Just kidding.
I feel like we should take this back and have this for breakfast, but it's so good because it's fresh right now. You always try. You love to mix food. No surprise, that slaps. The only thing is if we brought chili oil with us, I would add it to the curry.
And they have this sauce. I don't know what kind of sauce it is.
It tastes like a spicy katsu sauce.
Tastes homemade. I like that it's lightly breaded, so it's not like too hard. So it doesn't cut the roof of your mouth.
Great combo.
They also have like other like entrees, like enchilada, I think,
And quesadilla, right?
and quesadilla. And they have salads. So they have everything. I think they do close in between lunch and dinner, so
Yes.
be aware. Fall off the bone.
These mushrooms are so good that Lisa's actually eating it. But then I'm also experimenting with mushroom rice.
Garlic mushroom rice.
Total is $50.83 for a lot of good food.
I'm full. I'm stuffed.
This is one of my favorite pastas ever.
Yes, garlic and olive oil. That's all you need.
We'll be back here. We're telling you guys to come here.
The food here was incredible, and you can feel the family's passion and dedication with every bite. Supporting them by dining here is one way to help, but we're also thinking about other ways the community can rally around them during this tough time. Let's come together and find ways to lift them up and keep their amazing restaurant thriving.